Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. What is it? How should you use it? And what do we think to one of Bilt Hamber's best-selling pre-wash products? Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're going through Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. Auto Foam is Bilt Hamber's best-selling snow foam and has won multiple awards over the years, including Auto Express for the best snow foam on the market. Anybody who is into cleaning their cars will know of the brand Bilt Hamber, and if you haven't, this is the perfect place to start. Auto Foam is designed to soak and saturate dirt and grime on the vehicle before you go into your shampooing stage. With this product, you're going to be applying it onto the vehicle, and you're only going to get around 5 minutes dwell time, which is definitely enough time for this product to break down the dirt and get the vehicle clean before you move into your shampooing stage. Moving on to dilution ratios of Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. You're going to want to aim for around 4% panel impact ratio. Now, if you're not too sure about PIR, don't worry, we're going to break it down for you really simple. Auto Foam can be used anywhere between 20 and 50 ml of product to 950 and 980 ml of water, depending on the severity of dirt and also the amount of dirt you've got to remove from the vehicle surface. What we would recommend doing is sticking with 40 ml of snow foam to 960 ml of water in a standard 1 litre snow foam lance, depending on the severity of the dirt. However, you can increase the dilution ratio if you do need to. All we recommend is sticking between 50 and 80 ml for really heavily soiled vehicles, or just repeat the process again. Snow foam it, leave it to dwell, and jet wash it down. Auto Foam is a non-caustic snow foam and is made with biodegradable compounds that are tough on dirt but safe on paintwork, making it the perfect pre-wash product for coated and uncoated vehicles. During the dwell time of Auto Foam, you're going to see a very thin layer of foam. On top of that, you're also going to see bubbles popping and removing the dirt from the car and agitating the dirt and grime down the vehicle. Just because this product isn't as thick as shaving foam doesn't mean that it's not doing a great job. Bilt Hamber Auto Foam is a very thin snow foam, but trust us, it is definitely taking off the grime from your vehicle. Now moving on to application of Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. What you're going to want to do is dilute the product into a normal 1 litre snow foam lance and apply a generous layer over the vehicle. Don't allow it to dry out, give it 5 minutes to dwell, and rinse using a pressure washer or high-powered jet wash. After that, if the vehicle is severely dirty, we do recommend repeating the process, starting from snow foam in the car, another 5 minute dwell time, and rinsing again. And if that still doesn't cut it, increase the dilution ratio up to between 60 and 80 ml of product. Another thing to mention about Auto Foam is never to allow it to dry out on the surface. You want to make sure that you use a generous amount of foam across the vehicle and rinse thoroughly. When rinsing, we always recommend using a high pressure water stream such as a jet wash or a lance to ensure that you remove all the chemical off the car, but also all of the excess dirt that has been reacted with by Auto Foam. Now, a lot of people think Auto Foam is not safe on ceramic coated cars, and that is absolutely not the case. As long as you follow the panel impact ratios recommended by the manufacturer between 2 and 4%, you will be absolutely fine at having your car ceramic coated and using Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. Now, Bilt Hamber Auto Foam is available only in 5 litre containers at a retail level. You can also get it in larger quantities if you are using it for commercial use. But generally speaking, 5 litres of snow foam will do you for a very long time if you follow the correct dilution ratios. Just to give you an example, if you follow 40 ml diluted to 960 ml of water in a snow foam lance, you will get 125 snow foam lances out of a 5 litre bottle. That means you can wash your car every single day for a full 3 months and still have product left over. Overall, Bilt Hamber Auto Foam is a fantastic pre-wash product that you can use on coated and uncoated vehicles to remove the dirt before you go into your contact wash stage. Now, if you prefer something to be used by a hand pump or a pressure sprayer, we do recommend this video here, which is Bilt Hamber Touchless. You can check that video out by clicking the link above. Now, Bilt Hamber have a huge range of car cleaning products, including Bilt Hamber Auto Wash and Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel. If you want to see any videos on the other products, let us know in the comment section. We'll make sure we get one recorded real soon. Bilt Hamber Auto Foam is available online and in-store at justcarcare.co.uk. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to either top up your existing collection or give it a try for the first time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. But thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.